Want to bake soft, fluffy cakes every single time? Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these 5 essential cake baking tips will make your baking experience smoother and your results tastier. Let's get started. 1. Always measure ingredients accurately. Baking is a science. Even a small mistake in measurement can ruin your cake. Always use measuring cups or a digital scale for accuracy. 2. Use room temperature ingredients. Butter, eggs, and milk blend better when they're at room temperature. 3. Preheat your oven. Never skip this step. Always preheat your oven at least 10-15 minutes before placing the cake inside. 4. Don't overmix the batter. Mix just until everything is combined. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour too much, making the cake dense and chewy instead of light and airy. 5. Line and grease the cake pan properly. Use butter paper or parchment paper in the bottom, and grease the sides with oil or butter. Thanks for watching.